Afternoon, cactus people. Just a simple repotting today, and please bear with me if you suddenly hear a noise. It's the wind from the storm last night. It's still kicking around and rattling the cactus house roof. So what we've got here is a Gasteria, which I'm sure you probably saw Gaz from Cacti Mania the other day repotting one of his. I thought it's about time I repotted mine. I've only got the one, and this was a present from Josh from the Cactus Society. It says Gasteria Repot. I've actually had this for a year or so, and I've not done anything with it, which is very naughty of me. So, inspired by Daz the other day, I thought I'd give it a repot. So first thing, I've got my pot with a bit of crock there to put it in, and let's get the old compost out and have a look at it. I'm sure there's not going to be anything nasty in this because it's been fine, and it's all very loose soil there, very loose compost, very gritty, which is good, which I've prepared a very gritty compost as well. Have a quick look at the roots. Absolutely nothing wrong, no mealy bugs, nothing on them that's nasty, so that's fantastic. I don't know if I can take this bottom leaf off. It looks a bit, it's had better days. Yes, that came off quite clean. So we'll dispense with that. As I say, I've got a gritty mix already here. I'll pour a little bit in, or quite a lot in, and just bed him into that. All this is Ziggy's #1 with the horticultural eco grit, it said on the packet. Now there's no backup on the actual bag that says why it's called eco grit, and I looked on the quarry company's website and there's no claims there. They've just stuck the word eco on it to make it look good as far as I can see. So little nest hole for that to go into, and just gently put some compost around it. Keep it fairly loose, and he's probably going to be in here for a long time, hence the quite large pot. And then just a bit of top dressing. This is just some sieved sand that I got from Travis Perkins. Lots of shell in it. All the way around there. And I'm not sure, being a succulent, I suppose it wants a bit more water than cacti. You can tell I'm not a succulent person. But again, like cacti, I probably won't water this for a week just to let the roots settle in. But there we have it. I'll put Josh's original label in there and make one that I can see a little bit better without my glasses. But hopefully that should have a nice flower soon, which would be lovely. Alright, that was it. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.